Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in an LT trim and powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with a soft-top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. You've got a nice accessory there, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders and armrest, as well as having a 12-volt power outlet down there in the middle. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip A and B information, fuel range, oil life, tire pressures, fuel economy, trip timer, and engine hours, as well as your transmission fluid and trailer brake, and off-road status. Then you can also go into your audio, phone, navigation controls, and your options for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, and then you do have your radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. And then to the left of the steering wheel here, you have your trailer brake controller, your 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and your lighting controls. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, we'll just turn that down, Bluetooth, CD, and auxiliary capable, I believe, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down, you have your media controls, of course, and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate so you can stay comfortable at different temperatures, as well as having heated front seats so you can stay cozy in the colder months. Then you have your traction control shut off, your cargo box lights or spotlight, and then you have this compartment here, a 12-volt power outlet there, a 115-volt power outlet there, I believe. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift your gears, and your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have 3 cup holders, 3 little cubbies, and then your center compartment / armrest, which has a divider that you can flip out of the way, and then it has 2 USBs, your auxiliary, and another 12 volts, so you can plug something into power or charge, or hook up your audio from there. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you have another lockable compartment underneath there for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.